What is a population bottleneck? Have you ever wondered how a sudden drop in a population can change the course of its genetic history? Let's break down what a population bottleneck is and why it matters in biological anthropology and human genetics. A population bottleneck occurs when there is a sharp reduction in the size of a population, lasting for at least one generation. This can happen due to environmental disasters, disease outbreaks, or human activities that drastically decrease the number of individuals in a group. When a population shrinks significantly, it leads to a situation where genetic drift becomes more pronounced. Genetic drift is the random change in the frequency of genetic traits within a population. In smaller groups, this randomness can cause certain genes to become much more common while others may completely vanish. This can result in a rapid loss of genetic variation, which is essential for the adaptability of a population. The consequences of a population bottleneck are significant. With reduced genetic diversity, the population may struggle to respond to new environmental challenges, such as climate change or emerging diseases. This makes the group more vulnerable to future threats, as they lack the genetic tools to adapt. In the field of anthropology, researchers study population bottlenecks to understand how human groups have evolved over time. Evidence suggests that many human populations have experienced bottlenecks in the past, shaping the genetic makeup of modern groups. These events can also lead to what is known as founder effects. This occurs when a small group separates from a larger population and starts a new community, further reducing genetic diversity and creating unique genetic patterns. Studying population bottlenecks has practical applications in anthropology. It helps trace human migration patterns, understand the origins of genetic diseases, and analyze how groups have responded to past environmental pressures. By examining genetic data from various populations, anthropologists can identify signs of past bottlenecks and gain a clearer picture of human evolution and diversity. Interestingly, population bottlenecks are not just historical events. They can also occur today, especially in small or isolated human groups. Recognizing and studying these events is important for understanding why some populations have less genetic diversity and how this impacts their health and survival. In essence, a population bottleneck is a sharp reduction in population size that leads to a loss of genetic diversity. This has important consequences for human evolution, health, and adaptation. Understanding these bottlenecks helps explain patterns of genetic variation and the history of human groups.